Policy rate has come down. Interest rate has come down. Now, if you put your 1,000 cedis in government treasury bill, at the end of the year, 365 days, the interest we'll get is 50 pesos. Yeah, that is what is happening. They say it's good for the economy. Really? But everything is increasing.
Obviously, for me, Mamu Nyama Kwaba and the Bagana and TV so. But more this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend no notifications. There be next time. Videos of this nature, but also sabit makabi. So that I no one Munyina Munimi Mr. President. Na mo wasa be som. Nti comment section of Mr. President, me more fans or we have from be a major also sa. Come wasa be som Madaroma. Now I chanced upon a video of Assemblies of God, Sofo bi. Now or demonstrating the true definition of Christianity. And when I'm saying, hey, wow. In fact, me, I've always believed that we have men of God in this country. But to my viewers, Sebi, asofoni bi aye nema bia tomorrow money anje ho na mo no mabi kafa ho, mo lose trust in Christianity in terms of politics. I mean, in terms of politics, Madaroma, this video is for you. This video is for you. Say you are John Dramani Mahama or Assemblies of God ni. Maybe you must say sorry ka the into same crown on self at Christian ni. But we are having an Assemblies of God, man of God, an Assemblies of God, Sofo. I will hit to me and I cannot congratulate to me. The moon just a many papa. Let me say papa ko market so kutunsu sachet water. Na first in the bag and over Kumasco 7 cities in a day. You see, I'll call 15 cities in 12 cities. Papa budget will be cool, no could not no money bonam budget. So I shock papa. The fade you don't was a gone. Papa cannot drink, just say, and these are the kind of things we want to see from the clergy. A koya monka, Sasha and koya monka. But I'm so happy to see this video because at least the viewers of Ghana and TV be who say Debbie, ye won Nyame nkrofoni bo Ghana ha ya ye mfa woni position na ukura ye be ka no kwana kire wo ai so Assembly of God ye name say you John Dramani ma ho na asole ho so now so one fani ya to say you John Dramani Mahama na asole ba wa ka no kura kire to me wa ka no kura actually to me. And we must applaud the Assemblies of God clergy for this. And this will be say, you are John Dramani man, the anxious day, I anchor chase town, or Munku, a man of God. No. But what kind of crutch to me? Yes, $1 coffin, and so no more book and a cost of market. You say, I'll cover be a tone so 1 city a day. Sachet water about a tone 1 city a day. You see, as this is price quite a cost. Me patcho bomb dia to be to Nigeria me bia to Ghana me bia to Togo na bia to Ghana ha na ye be se yehunu en no ma bo kwa na e kosoro on yehunu de enka Bank of Ghana e ka no mo bo yehunu de enka gold board alleged chrono kwa na e kosoro yehunu de enka okoka o masem ne the security hwehwehwa o kan this asem executive hwehwehwa o kan ye won o kan this wasem ni ho asem ya so ye arrogant near the arrogance na show kon se na be ya obeka wano tum ti mo nim se na mo be na mo dada Ghana for ma Ghana for nya mugidi eto abade maamo ti mo nim se na mo be na mo dada Sofo Nyame asofo akuku da mo di Nyame achi mfe bebe mo be campaign de maamo mo gu Christianity ni mase abusu ame de menche pi Mommy and Konya de Yaminipan, a true man of God, demonstrating Christianity. Ah, my God.
So when Mr. President Mahama, or Assemblies of God. Aha. President Mahama, or one Casanes of fire, friend and Reverend Alessin Croma, Atutubiama, President Mahama and Naba. Or see Umunjai settings, Umunjai Atroni Akushia, Umudi Chilegana for. As inflation or form, exchange rate are improving. Now, so reflecting what Ghana for bottom. And reflecting what Ghana for Abrabum. What the shake or so for? Or so for near Joseph. Mahama Gassa Sofo. When I saw it be a Sofo.
I became so worried last week. We are being told policy rate has come down. Interest rate has come down. Now, if you put your 1,000 cedis in government treasury bill, at the end of the year, 365 days, the interest we'll get is 50 pesos. Yeah, that is what is happening. They say it's good for the economy. Really? But everything is increasing. So why are they just giving us figures or lying to us? I mean, let's be real. If the figures you are giving is not reflecting in our pocket, you are lying to us. Somebody say, I hear you. A bag of sachet water. We used to buy 9 cedis. Recently, I was going to buy it. They said they have increased it to 12 cedis. So what is the essence of the interest rate going down? What is the essence of the dollar stability? I mean, how? Somebody rise up and say, I hear you. I said, I just veered off. But I need to say it because Nyame ya. Say Radia then. What the thousands is the quarter 50 pesos. I called a banker and he told me because the interest rate, the treasury bill, I mean, what do you call it? Fixed deposits is now 2.7, 3.1. Because treasury bill is now 4.8. And they say that thing is good. Good for who? There was a man who was building a house for his children. And he was starving the children. He said, me see down, mamu. Me see down, mamu. Or me see down. Or the come do amu. Charlie. Or board down or start a plaster and many in a woo. And you want a better than. That is what they are doing to us.
Also, Nyame share watching. See ye nya also 10 ewo Ghana. Ka Ghana be tumpon. See ye nya papa we. Na so asofo 10 a omo ka nokore. Emfo omo ho eni nipa akwa oye president. Emfo omo ho eni nipa akwa na so oye omo asore member. Omo be ka nokore a kire wo ase ye nya na so 10 a omo Ghana be tumpon akwa enim. Enye
me to ade e bia 10 cedis a. Na sesia no eye entumu beba it should be about 10 points 30 pesos
10 pesos
it should be about 10 pesos it shouldn't be say ebe cut 12 cedis
2 years ago na me turn 8 cedis na me turn 12 cedis meanwhile so no ye to ye dollar ye cedi
I am basing on the analogy say the rate at which Nyame increasing no say me 2024 23%. And you know, if a Nyame be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means a bona also be count. I say a content term do.
I could tell you Nyama ye digina so me de to Nyama mu nyina ba fom. Enti what is the basis say?
Basic thing.
Say I was idea we ye tum petrol ye the lorry fare eto ade me bo akonta. Say the lorry fare eto ade. Because nipa me say Nyama na ye no. So kwa kofa de kwa kogu ni shop odigu kam. Car na odigu no car ni to petrol. It was to petrol ni ato petrol mu a obeto lorry fare mu. And then yen to petrol mu yen Socrates.
That's right.
Me boa. It is a me koto pure water. Me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and now a year ago. Necessary time now not a inflation one your top petrol 14 cedis a liter. And then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12. Now inflation nam 23%. Not dollar nam 15 cedis any other day. Na me to no crown na me to pure water a bag about 8 cedis. Na se Nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis and 15 cedis about 11. Petrol no ate
about 2 cedis a free.
Yes, inflation no ate by 20%.
Point.
Let's still here to pure water ni ma 12 cedis here. What is the basis amode to sade manum? Still not PURC for ebe catch say ECG. And Ghana Water Company Limited say, Yanto water bill mo, Yanto light bill mo. What is the basis? mujina so and they increase light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar. Any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jinaso. Anyone send your money in our form. It is a soft no beside this questioner. Well, Musana out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question. Not ask out of ignorance.
Me ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word ignorance. Say man can say me on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying, and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance. I mean, okay, so me can say asam na oka no enkyere se enema bo enko
but the
tie je waka no want o de o mapane kan say was it a body was it a penny was it pure water a costro and I mean say inflation ya ba for ma and the rate at which things will be increase you know the empanifo na omunimu nguma na pense commission akache and say enka be cost wa kese enka ebia yeda so to na train na ebia enka inflation no enka ebia nya 3 cities nka be ka ho say na omo ka say the rate at which things will be increase no e be ba for what you say
inflation
oh my me say sana omo yawe dia me omo ka me tiase na tu omo da me ka he say aban say what the inflation about this number and now you soon say a base rate 16 aban so the or the above 14 me boa me come catch say aban bi oman bi opeti under single digit bia no omo base rate so e ko single digit me boa na say about me can say petrol above for me aban no there he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost
what yes aban to me so wo na akofa wa de what you say and now asema na ka say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from no
anya aba no de
oh unti dem making me say so what dey buy be all spoke against say I was say ono mu hia ama ono mu hia but nanka we maye no dwadifo no chem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes but this nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa maye no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no we
so at the end of
what you say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niema we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no je de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
now so and never not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no, the rate at which a never increase.
Yes.
If a year 8 cities, the inflation rate of 3.2%, I'm expecting about 8 cities 50 pesos.
But 50 pesos, 30 pesos,
now,
20
now
pesos.
it is 12 cities, which means on the basis of
yes.
made it to the inflationary rate on the pure water, about 25%.
Yes.
And as I told you the mission, so 8 cities.
Yes.
Now inflationary rate at 3.2. Now if I could do 12, the inflationary rate, no, me want to say the increment, no, with which things are increasing, no, I about 27 or 28%.
Yes.
It does not reflect the 3.2.
Exactly.
And notice there will be inflation about 3.2. I just say the inflation about 3.2. There was a David. It was a near increase.
Yes.
But at a decreasing rate, which is 3.2.
Yes.
But they are too just no. And you about 25%.
Yeah.
So people ask, what is the problem?
Single digit.
Yes. Inflation about 2 single digits from 9 from last year. It has been consistent for almost 6 to 8 months. So we should see, say,
yeah.
If we cry insignificant. It should be like 8 cities 10 pesos. 8 cities 20 pesos. When do you feel 8 are copying 12? 4 cities. Come on.
He's
if high-rise building and electricity consumption and also can be near doom, are we saying say we didn't put any plan in place for such occurrence, because like I'm saying, it comes through a channel, and it's idea you need eba. Enti yenim se machine se ba yenim se definitely eba be ye adwuma say eba be ye say enti ye to ne ye jejejeje no. Are we saying say we don't factor that aspect of a year how do I even put it, development no ye mfa nka ho ana
increase in
exactly ye mfa nka ho ana. And now there's another argument of you say dam no akosombo na ahye no ene na amadum so. Is that really the problem? Is that really the problem? Because you see, Ola Shenya ya say, ebi wa krobi wo ho wo so ase bibi ba besi a anye ye kura wo phone ping 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 ye ball koko ye maw that ye can say notification no na ebi a wo so dia ye den wo dia toton ne ma ye. So yes, ye na ye jitu